We've spent months building Guardian TrueSight, a next-generation anti-cheat system that analyzes gameplay in real time and flags behavior that exceeds the limits of human capability. Trained on high-resolution Warzone map data, Guardian doesn't just watch, it learns. It understands movement, terrain, and visual behavior with ruthless precision. And it evolves constantly, detecting cheaters before they even take the shot. Like Ricochet, Guardian monitors for suspicious activity, but we've taken it further, using advanced computer vision to break down every frame of gameplay. Bounding boxes are now hidden to improve the viewer experience, but they're still there, silently defining the zones of attention. And when players move through them, Guardian sees everything, tracking aim shifts, target priorities, and micro-adjustments with surgical accuracy. It now generates real-time heat maps of aiming behavior, revealing targeting habits and precision no legitimate player should possess, exposing the subtle signatures of artificial input and intent. With entropy analysis, Guardian identifies aim that's too smooth, too consistent, too perfect. It flags suspicious behavior and displays it in real-time graphs across the match. This isn't about raw accuracy, it's about intention. Guardian can even analyze footage from years ago, catching cheaters long after they thought they got away. We've tested Guardian against the best players in the world, monitoring their gameplay, recording every detail. We've studied cheaters too, even the ones who go to extreme lengths to hide what they're doing. We've watched, we've learned. Every frame, every input, every deception, all of it has been captured, analyzed, and distilled into Guardian's new entropy engine. It's not just reacting, it's understanding. And now, it sees what no one else can. Guardian is live, it's watching, and now, so can you.